rock painting, you have to find the most suitable rocks that are smooth, clean. Well, clean them. You can find rocks probably in the garden or at the beach. Make sure that they're clean, and you can apply your paint as you go along. You can decide what you want to do. You could add a background, or you can just paint on the rock just as it is. Some persons will use a acrylic pen, but if you don't have that, you can always use your small brush to add details to the rocks. Also, some persons may use a seal on it to seal the paint, but again, if you don't have that, that's fine. So here I am just trying to draw a tree, so I use a small brush and making the branches. It doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, it's just based on what you like to do. So you can just take your time and add branches to it and mix your colors. Oh, and by the way, I use acrylic paint to do these. So I mix the colors together and just added a few little details. And as I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be based on your creativity and your style. So you could add some little details to it. So I'm adding just like grass or so. Yeah, I mean, I was just moving with the flow. Nothing too creative, I think, but I mean, I tried. So that's the beauty about rock painting. You can do it with kids. It's basically relatively simple to do. It's nothing hard. So even for beginners. So here I'm doing just some dots. I use a Q-tip and just putting some colored dots on the white background. So it's white, so the colors will basically pop. So there, I'm just adding the little colors to it. Yeah, so it's basically easy to do. It's not hard. So I'm taking my time to add the dots and create this little pattern on that rock. And the one in the background, I did that previously. I didn't record while I was doing that. So it was white background, and I did a tree and added like a sun at the top. Yeah, so it's a good activity to do as a group. You can probably just have a little rock painting event with your friends, or at a party with kids. And children love these activities. And children are naturally creative, and you don't want to stifle their creativity while telling them what to do. You just allow them to just be creative and do what they want to do. Yeah, so at the end, a good activity to do at the end when the paint is dried, you could just allow the kids to just hide the rocks around town, so other persons can find it. It's a good gesture to do. That would be very good. You could also use it as items for a scavenger hunt. Just hide them around the school if you're at the school, and let the kids go around and find them. Yeah, that's also a good activity to do. Because the whole point of doing it is just to have fun anyway. As you know, art is therapeutic, and it's very therapeutic for kids as well. So art therapy